Hey, what's going on, guys? I am here at In-N-Out, one of my go-to spots for hamburgers. And if you live here in California, I think everybody will agree that In-N-Out is one of the best hamburgers that we have here. So today I'm going to walk you through some of my go-to burgers and share the quote-unquote secret menu. Actually, it's not so secret anymore. It's all over the internet, but I'll walk you through some of the menus that you guys can try out if you guys are ever here in Los Angeles. But let's go check it out, guys. In-N-Out, amazing shop, man. Let's do it. Good. How you doing today? Let's see. Can I get one double with chopped chilies and grilled onions? Can I also get a cheeseburger, protein style? Also chopped chilies, green onions. 2 fries. And 1 animal style fries. Alrighty, guys, so here is the double with chopped chilies and grilled onions. This is my go-to. Every time I come to In-N-Out, this is what I order, so here it is. Let me take a bite. Yeah. No matter how many times I eat it, this thing is delicious. The thing about In-N-Out is that the hamburger itself is very simple. They don't really complicate the hamburger one bit. And I think that's what it is when it comes to the In-N-Out hamburger and why it's so special is that they keep it simple. They don't do anything crazy with the hamburger, just fresh ingredients and just something about an In-N-Out hamburger. I've tried out many different hamburger places. Then of course there are some really good places that specialize in different types of hamburgers that's slightly customized, but when you're just talking about a straight up simple hamburger that hits the spot every time, I mean, it doesn't matter which In-N-Out you go to, it really is In-N-Out. And the double with chopped chilies, that's if you like the spicy stuff, with grilled onions, this is my go-to every single time. All right, next up is what is called the protein style cheeseburger. So as you guys can see, there are no buns on this hamburger. If you've never tried this before, this thing is surprisingly delicious. It is really good, like super refreshing in a sense. So this is actually my wife's favorite hamburger. I know it's gonna be good, but here we go. This is like my 100th time eating it. Here we go. It's very refreshing. When you talk about a hamburger, it usually feels very heavy, but because this thing is loaded with lettuce, look at that. It's very light and very refreshing. So even for someone who feels like eating a hamburger might be a little bit too heavy, try this protein style out. Honestly, you are gonna be very surprised how delicious this thing is. And even for me, as someone that loves eating hamburgers, I definitely get the protein style every now and then. And last but not least, you can't come to In-N-Out without getting their animal style fries. You guys see that right there? So this is the animal style fries. Instead of ordering just the regular French fries, you could get this thing called the animal style fries. As you guys can see, they got some grilled onions right there, melted cheese, and you guys see that right there? It's the secret sauce. It's not so secret, actually. It's just ketchup, mayo, and I think it's like some kind of pickle sauce on there. It's a little bit sweeter, but pretty addicting, honestly. Once you start eating it, you can't stop. So some of the things that you guys should know if you guys come to LA and planning on visiting In-N-Out, you can just start out with the standard cheeseburger, double, or just a plain hamburger. But if you're feeling ambitious, I'll share with you some of the not so secret menu that the local people here in LA know about. So when it comes to French fries, you can have your French fries cooked extra crispy. So you can, what was the term that they used here? Oh, so it's not extra crispy, but what you want to say is, can I get my French fries well done? can I get my French fries well done? And they pretty much fry it for a longer period of time. You get that really almost like eating a potato chip kind of crispiness to your French fries. You know, I think when it comes to fries, it's all preference, right? I think some people like them a little bit softer, some people like them super crunchy. I like it the way it is. I typically don't ask for the well done French fries. Also the buns, that's right. So when it comes to the buns, you can ask them to get it no toast or extra toasted. So if you do no toast, they don't toast the buns. You just get the buns as is. If you want your buns to be extra crispy, you can say extra toasted, and they will toast the buns a little bit longer, so it's a little crispier. Let's see here, onions, all right? So for my order today, I got grilled onions. That's something that I personally like. You can also get grilled raw, you can also get chopped raw onions. You can also get a whole onion. So instead of chopping it up, they just put a whole onion in there. That one, you just say, can I get a whole raw onion? You can also actually get the whole onion cooked. So you can say, can I get a grilled whole onion? A grilled whole onion. So there are actually a lot of different ways to customize your onions. One of the ones that we get for our kids is a thing called grilled cheese. A grilled cheese. A grilled cheese is essentially it's like a toast with cheese melted inside, and that's all it is. You know, our kids don't really like eating hamburgers yet, so every time we come to In-N-Out, we order them a grilled cheese. And the grilled cheese is not on the menu. This is one of those quote-unquote secret menus, so just ask them for a grilled cheese. A grilled cheese is basically buns. It's a bun, cheese, and bun. And if you just get the regular grilled cheese, it comes with lettuce, tomato, the sauce, cheese, and the buns. My kids don't really like the lettuce and tomato, so we get the plain grilled cheese. The plain grilled cheese. When you get the plain grilled cheese, there's no lettuce, there's no tomato. It's just the buns, cheese, and that is it. It's melted. The kids absolutely love it, so that's what we order for them every time we come here. And if you're feeling a little bit ambitious, you could get this thing called the Flying Dutchman. The Flying Dutchman. I'm not gonna be honest, I've never had it before. It sounds a little too intense for me, but the Flying Dutchman is essentially cheese and hamburger patties. That's it. You just get cheese and hamburger patties. So if you guys are ever here in Los Angeles, give it a try. I would suggest just starting out with the basic, the hamburger, cheeseburger, or the double-double, and then next time you come, maybe try out some of the secret menus. Alrighty guys, that is gonna wrap up my trip to In-N-Out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are planning on coming to Los Angeles, or I don't know, maybe you already live out here, make sure you guys come and check out In-N-Out. Honestly, you cannot go wrong with In-N-Out. It's just the simplicity of the hamburger. There is nothing special about it, but honestly, you just can't go wrong with it. There's really no other place that beats In-N-Out. I've tried a lot of different places. You know, every hamburger place is very original in its own way, but I always find myself coming back to In-N-Out every single time. So yeah, man, hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys again next time. Take it easy, y'all. Peace.